So welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and you can also follow the Telegram. I'll put the link in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend on New Zealand dollar JPY, right? Before you take your trade, before you take a trade, you would want to know the trend for that trade. And we can clearly see that on a full bigger picture, if you had to zoom it out, right, you would see that New Zealand dollar JPY is an uptrend move. Now, if in case you don't want to, we have the main trend, have it in mind that this is our main trend. But if you have to look at it on the current trend, it is trending down. But we would want to look at it from the viewpoint of our main trend. Now, let's start from here for quick analysis. This is our high, and here is the higher low. Markets pushed up again to form a new higher high. You can see it, right? And here comes the higher low. Markets pushed up one more time to form a new higher high, and this is the higher low. Market gave us another bullish move that formed a new higher high, and currently it is forming an higher low. So within this higher low, market is selling. This is one of the reasons why I said on this current trend here, market is selling. So once this market sells finish, we will be expecting it to give us another bullish move, which is a new higher high that we eventually push up to form and take out this previous high. So in the long term, probably if you're a position traders, you're a position trader and you would like to hold your position for the next 3 to 4 or even 6 months, you would want to be going in for a buy on New Zealand dollar JPY. So a bullish move for the long term is what you should be expecting on your New Zealand dollar JPY. But for your current trend, what market is doing right now, you should be expecting market to give a pullback and one more sell. So this sell will be for day traders, right? Because if you take a look at it here, this is definitely trending downward. So you would want, since it has given us a new lower low here, you would want it to give you a lower high before you go ahead and take your sell again that will eventually form a new lower low. So this sell that will happen will be a short-term sell, and it will be for only day traders. If you're a swing trader or a position trader, go long and hold your position. But if you're a day trader long term, sell for now and take closing early, close your profit early. So if there will be any changes to this movement that we just all predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on any single updates, click on that subscribe button now and click on the bell notification.